Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Central Victoria, Australia. Welcome to my channel and welcome to Tracy's Sunday Challenge, the 14th of April. I have a really fun one for you today. As we are coming towards the end of April, where the last chance list sale is going to run out, we're also finishing up the annual catalogue for Stampin' Up! So with that in mind, I thought this week would be the perfect opportunity to run the challenge with retiring stamps. There are a few going. I'm really happy that there are a few staying into the new annual catalogue, so I'm really happy with that. But because there are a few going, I've got a couple of favourites that I really want to share with you. And to be completely honest, I'm running a little bit behind in my videos. At the moment, I'm doing 3 videos a week and I work full time. And yeah, I've sort of run into the point where I'm not quite as ahead as I would like. It is now Saturday, the day before the Sunday challenge, and I don't have anything ready. So I had my team meeting, the INKY stampers. We got together during the week, and our team craft and chat was all about retiring stamps. So all my team will be ready for Tracy's Sunday challenge this week as well, which is awesome. So there are quite a few of really great stamp sets that are retiring. And I'm sure we all have at least one in our stash that's retiring. Now, if you're not sure what's retiring, what is staying current, you can head over to my online store and have a look at the last chance sale there. It lets you know what's retiring, and it also lets you know if there's up to 60% off on that product. Now is a really great time to purchase some of the products that maybe you had your eye on throughout the year that are retiring, and with a 60% discount, most items are up to 60% off, so you're going to get some great deals there. Also, while we are talking about the last chance sale and the retiring list, I just wanted to let you know that if you have ever thought about purchasing the starter kit and being either a discount shopper or a business demonstrator, now is a really great time to take that leap as well, because by signing up you can purchase some of the items that are in the retiring list with up to 60% off, and then you can also purchase products from the new annual catalogue. There is a pre-order list that you can choose from as well, and any orders after that you're going to get 20% off. So there are some really great benefits for joining and becoming a demonstrator, and if you have any questions, please reach out. I'd happily let you know about those as well. Okay, so don't forget, you can go over to my online store, have a look at what's retiring if you're not 100% sure. I also have a blog post, and I might link that blog post in the description of this video as well, that will take you to that spot. So talks about all about the retirement list and the last chance sale. Okay, so I picked 2 stamp sets that I used for our team craft and chat this week. These 2 I think are really good ones to have in your stash. If you like little animals and cute stamps, you're gonna love these. I'm also gonna share the cards that I created on the night as well. So all you need to do if you would like to join in Tracy's Sunday Challenge is take a photo of your project, head on over to my business Facebook page, and then in the comments section of that post you can pop in your card or your project. Now, even if you don't get a chance to create anything this week, please go over and have a look at what everyone else is creating. Leave them some love, a comment, even if it's just a heart or a thumbs up. I know those ladies appreciate it as well, and everyone is welcome to joining Tracy's Sunday Challenge. Whew, that's a lot of talking. Okay, let me show you the 2 stamp sets that I really want to feature with you today. The first one is this one, Little Monkey. Now, there is a bundle that you can purchase. It is a punch bundle. So Stampin' Up! Do either a die bundle or a stamp or a punch bundle. And this one has a really cute punch bundle. I'm gonna just grab it really quickly. It's just off to my right. I probably should have already had it before I sat down, but anyway, it's all good. So as you can see, this little punch has the monkey image, the banana. We have his little ears and then his little face as well. And let me show you this stamp set. This is a photopolymer stamp set. There are 15 stamps in the set. So you've got a tree branch, lots of different foliage, you have a heart, a couple of different bananas, and you have 3 monkeys that you can choose from and create different scenes, and some really great sentiments as well. I think this is such a sweet one. You know, if you have grandkids, you know, you can do lots of different cards with this and be super, super cute. The other stamp set that I think is a really must-have, and look, if I actually sat down and went through the retiring list, I'm sure I could pull quite a few more, but I do love my little animals and critters. So here is the second one that's retiring that I 100% think that you need in your stash if you don't have it already. Zany Zoo. Isn't this gorgeous? So we have a leopard, a turtle, a llama, an alligator or a crocodile, a raccoon, and a... is it a badger? Squirrel? I don't know. Whatever that other one is. So cute though. And while you're at, if you do have this stamp set, there's great DSP that matches with it, which works really well. Black and white on one side, animals on the other, and the dies that cut these out also cut out the images on your DSP. So cute. I love these 2 sets, and honestly, one of my 2 top 10. So I might have to do a top list of retiring products. I'll get onto that this week, I think, because it's a really good idea. All right, so you want to see the cards. Now, if you are my team members, you've already seen these, so sorry, but let's show everyone else the fun that we have. So here is the one from Zany Zoo. So cute. I'm also using the Lemon Lime Twist, which is a retiring color. Can you believe that we're losing Lemon Lime Twist? Anyway, so cute. Beautiful ribbon. This is actually from the suite of the Zany Zoo Crew suite. And these little adhesive back discs are actually not retiring. They're in the new annual catalog. So I was really happy about that. But isn't this a gorgeous card? And I've used the Melody 3D embossing folder. This is actually retiring as well. So there's a little bit of an added bonus. This one I think is a great embossing folder to have. Perfect for your Christmas cards, but you know, great for birthday cards as well. So many different occasions that you could use that. It's like a sheet music, but it's called Melody 3D. So I love that. So bright and shiny with those little discs. Doesn't that just pop? And this is the DSP. So I didn't even stamp this image. This is cut straight from that gorgeous DSP. It's also retiring. And I used the stamp set with this little notes stamp. So very cute. Zany Zoo must have. And then with our little monkey set, look at this. How cute is this? So the little monkeys swinging out of the tree. I have actually used punch to cut out this little punch out piece. So it's sort of floating with the sun behind him, which I thought was really, really cute. And look, the bananas are falling out and he's sort of grabbing them as they're falling out of the tree. Isn't that gorgeous? So very, very easy card here. I've done a little bit of colouring with my stamping blends, and that's Shaded Spruce. I've got the Daffodil Delight stamping blends for the bananas. We've used Petal Pink for the face and Crumb Cake for the body. And then this one here is Pecan Pie for the branch. So isn't that gorgeous? And you know, all these little bananas have been popped up. Such an easy card to create, but isn't that adorable? You've got to love your little critters. So here are my 2 cards for this week's Tracy Sunday Challenge. Very easy to create. Go in, find out what's retiring from the Stampin' Up! Annual Catalogue, as well as the mini catalogue, because we are retiring both catalogues at the end of this month. We have a new catalogue starting next month. So go find out what you want to create something with, and share your love of something that's retiring. And yeah, I really hope that you enjoy this week's challenge. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd love it if you left me a comment. If you haven't hit subscribe, I would love it if you'd done that as well. And yeah, please come and join in this week's Tracy's Sunday Challenge. Always fun to have new faces join in. And even if you don't have a chance to join in, make sure you go over and see the inspiration of what all the other people who do join in the challenge, what they are creating as well. All right, everyone, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all next week. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.